Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. Today's question is, if I'm a director or shareholder of a company that needs to go into liquidation, but I'm now working for an unrelated third-party employer, do they find out about the liquidation? So the answer is generally no. From a liquidator's point of view, there's usually no need to reach out to or contact or advise a third-party employer of the liquidation that your company is going through. There might be very few circumstances in which there would be some need, and that to me centres mostly around if for whatever reason the director became uncontactable over an extended period of time, didn't leave any alternative contact details, and the liquidator desperately needs to get in touch. Now, in the majority of cases, that isn't the case on our liquidations because the directors generally do want to work with us in order to have a smooth, good, quick, efficient liquidation. I should say though, employers can search the ASIC public records because it will be noted what companies are in liquidation there, and they can search individual names to see what companies are associated with those parties. Now, in my experience, that tends to be quite rare during the course of someone's employment. Occasionally it might happen in certain sectors, industry sectors before somebody starts employment, but overall it seems to be quite rare. So it is on a public record, but there's no specific need in the majority of cases for a liquidator to reach out to someone's employer, especially a third-party unrelated employer.